Troubleshooting Rogers wireless data issues, APN, network reset, and 5G LTE toggle. Having trouble with your Rogers wireless data? You're not alone. Data connectivity problems can stem from various issues, especially with the ongoing 5G rollout. This video will guide you through 3 key fixes: APN settings, network reset, and 5G LTE toggle. These are often effective in resolving data connectivity problems without needing to contact support. By the end of this video, you should be able to restore your Rogers data connection using these methods. Let's walk through each fix. First, the APN settings. Your APN acts as the gateway to Rogers network. Incorrect settings are a common cause of data failure. Go to your phone's settings, then cellular data options, cellular data network. Ensure your APN is set to internet.com. The username should be WAPuser1 and the password WAP. Save these settings. Second, network reset. This clears out any corrupted network data. For iPhone, settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. For Android, settings, system, reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Third, 5G LTE toggle. Sometimes a weak or unstable 5G signal can cause issues. Forcing your phone to use LTE can provide a more stable connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off, or in cellular settings, manually select LTE instead of 5G. After trying these steps, your Rogers wireless data should be back up and running. Remember to check Rogers' website or app for device-specific instructions. If the issue persists, contacting Rogers support might be necessary.